today's video, I'm going to show exactly how you can send money on Revolut. Now, this is the same as transferring money, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show exactly how we can get this done right now. So to start with, you first want to have your Revolut app open like I have here on the home page. And from here, we just want to look for transfer. Now, we can find this in the bottom, and it's the one in the middle. So go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken to this page here. Now, if you're looking to send money to someone you've already sent in the past, you may see it on this list here, and you may also see some of your own bank accounts if you've added them already. However, if you haven't and you need to send money to a new person, you just want to go in the top right corner and click that blue new button. And then from here, we have a few different options for how we can actually send money from Revolut. So we can transfer money to a bank account, we can transfer money to a card account, we can transfer money to a crypto account, we can settle expenses with friends, and we can add contacts using a phone or email address. We can find the best way to transfer abroad, and we can also create a payment link so we can transfer without our account details. So you want to choose whichever option suits you best, but in this case, I'm just going to choose bank recipient. Now, because I'm screen recording, it's not letting me see this screen here. However, don't worry, I'm going to still show you exactly what you have to do in order to transfer money on Revolut. So when you select this, the first option will be to choose which country you are sending to. So since I'm in the UK, I'm just going to use the UK for this example. And after that, you will see currency, which will then automatically be adjusted depending what the country is. And then from there, it will ask for your bank details. So this will be different for each country. But UK, it will ask for your sort code and account number. But if you're from somewhere like USA, it may ask for an ACH routing number. And now after this, you just want to put in your first, middle and last name, or whoever it is you're sending to. And then from there, you just want to go ahead and click next. Enter in the amount that you're looking to send to this person. And you can also add in a reference if that's something you also wanted to do. And then when you have completed all those steps and you're sure you've done those right, you can go ahead and click continue. And after that, you will have successfully sent money on Revolut. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully did manage to transfer money on Revolut. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.